and welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind. I am Dr. Vilas Kalekar, episode number 38. Today's rubric is Comprehension. What is meant by comprehension? It is mind's act of understanding, or it is an ability to understand the meaning or importance of something or the knowledge acquired as a result. That is comprehension. And what is the Hindi meaning? समझने की शक्ति, समझने में कठिनाइयाँ. This is Hindi meaning. Marathi meaning is आकलन, समजणे, मनाची आकलन करण्याची, समजून घेण्याची वृत्ती. That is Marathi meaning. And what are the different sub-rubrics of comprehension? The comprehension sub-rubric is comprehension difficult and comprehension easy. First of all, we will see the comprehension difficult. The remedies are Briatakar, Briatamur, Briannia, Calcarea, Calcarephos, Carbovich, Gelsemium, Hyoscyamus, Calibrum, Lycopodium, Natramur, Nux moschata, phosphoric acid, plumbum, sepia, silicia, staphysagra, tuberculinum, and zincum. So these are the remedies for comprehension difficult. What are the cross references for comprehension difficult? First is concentration difficult. What is meant by concentration? Concentration means the ability to direct all your efforts and attention to one thing without thinking of other things, or it is the ability to think carefully and about something you are doing and nothing else. This is concentration. Difficulty means not easy to understand. That is difficult. Concentration difficult. Then next cross reference, development mental arrested. What is meant by development? It is the process in which someone or something grows or changes and becomes more advanced. Then arrested means the act of stopping. So development mental arrested means mental retardation or mental development arrested. Then next cross reference, dullness, sluggishness, difficulty of thinking and comprehending. Comprehending means to understand something completely. So dullness means a mental condition when a person is dull, and sluggish, slowness in thinking and comprehending and response, or it is a slow and weak performance in perceiving and reflecting, or the quality of being slow to understand. That is dullness, sluggishness, difficulty of thinking and comprehending. Then next cross reference, ideas deficiency. Deficiency means lacking or inadequate, and idea means notion or plan or thoughts or suggestion, especially about what to do in a particular situation, or thought or suggestion with possible course of action, or some picture or imagination in mind. That is idea. Then next cross reference, learning poorly. Learning means it is a cognitive process of acquiring skill or knowledge, and poorly means not well or badly. Then next cross reference, weakness, memory weakness. Memory means the ability to remember, the faculty of the brain by which data or information is encoded, stored, and retrieved when needed. The mental capacity or faculty of retaining and reviewing facts, events, impression, etc., or by of recalling or recognizing previous experience. This is memory, and weakness means it is a state of not being strong or powerful. Then next cross reference, slowness. Slowness means the that is the who react and perform very slowly, or the state of diminished speed of the body's reflexes, or quality or state of lacking indulgence or quickness of mind. That is slowness. The next cross reference, sluggishness. Sluggishness means who react and perform very slowly but with a less energy and power due to mental dullness, or it is the deficiency in mental and physical alertness and activity. That is sluggishness. The next cross reference, thinking aversion to. Thinking means it is to discuss, to think on any aspect or the activity of using your mind to consider something. That is thinking. The next cross reference, unobserving. Unobserving means lack of power of observation and hence fail to observe important happenings around them. Inattentive, or it means not observing, not noticing, or not perceiving. That is not unobserving. So these are the cross references for comprehension difficult. Then next is the disease condition or psychiatric condition of comprehension difficult. First is delirium, second is dementia, then organic brain syndrome, then actual uh, psychiatric episode, then next chronic schizophrenia. So this is the disease condition or psychiatric condition of comprehension difficult. Now we'll see the comprehension easy. That is the drugs are the first is coffee, lacasis, opium, phosphorus, ambra, platina, sabadilla, valerianum, asculus, anacardium, bromine, then borax, calcarea fluorica, cannabis indica, cannabis sativa, causticum, hyoscyamus, ignitia, lycopodium, picric acid, pulsatilla rustox, selenium, sulfur, chibaclinum, and veratrum. So these are the remedies for comprehension easy. And what are the cross references for comprehension easy? First is concentration active. And concentration means the ability to direct all your efforts and attention on one thing without thinking of other, or it is the ability to think carefully and something you are doing and nothing else. This is concentration. Active means one engaged in a action or activity, or being in a state of existence, progress, or motion. This is activity. Then next cross reference, ideas abundant. Ideas means it is a notion, plan, thoughts or suggestion, especially about what to do in a particular situation, or thought or suggestion with a possible course of action or some picture or imagination in mind. This is ideas. Abundant means existing or occurring in a large amount, and clearness means that is a state or quality of being easily seen through. That is clearness. The next cross reference, learning easily. Is learning means that is a cognitive process of acquiring skill or knowledge. The next cross reference, memory active. Memory, that is the ability to remember, or the faculty of brain by which data or information is encoded, stored, and retrieved when needed, or the mental capacity or faculty of retaining and reviewing the facts, events, impression, etc., or of recalling or recognizing previous experience. That is memory. Active means that is one engaged in the action or activity. This is memory active. The next cross reference, theorizing. Theorizing means to suggest facts and ideas to explain something, or it is a tendency to make theories in such a way that it is not practically possible. This is theorizing. Then next cross reference is thoughts profound. Thoughts means that is idea, notion, or an idea or opinion produced by thinking or occurring suddenly in the mind. And profound means having intellectual depth and insight. That is profound. Then next cross reference, thoughts rapid. Rapid means happening very quickly or moving with a great speed. That is thoughts rapid. So these are the all cross references of comprehension easily. Then what is the miasm of comprehension easily? Miasm is Sora. So this is all in short of comprehension difficult and easy. Thank you.